Space is back with another mind-blowing video. Most probably you have already read the title of this video and you cannot wait any longer to know about James Webb Space Telescope. So let's begin. In this video I'm going to share with you 15 incredible facts about James Webb Space Telescope, or we can say JWST. But first, here are a few basic things that you should know about the James Webb Space Telescope. The telescope was launched on 25th December 2021 on an Ariane 5 rocket from Kourou, French Guiana, and arrived at the Sun-Earth L2 Lagrange point in January 2022. Now let's understand the purpose of this telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is created to look deeper into space. With this telescope, scientists can explore space in a better way. Through JWST, we can see the earliest stars and galaxies that formed in the universe. With the help of this telescope, we can also look deep into nearby dust clouds to study the formation of stars and planets. That's all. Now it is time to know the 15 incredible facts about JWST. Number 1. The telescope was called the Next Generation Space Telescope, but in the year 2002, the telescope was renamed in the honor of James Edwin Webb, who was NASA's second administrator. This is how the telescope got its name. Number 2. NASA took 26 years to begin from the phase of proposal and deployment to reach the phase of being fully operational. A lot of hard work, intelligence and dedications were invested by the scientists, or we can say the organization of NASA, to reach the goal of creating the James Webb Space Telescope, which they are using right now to explore the space. Number 3. The JWST consists of 4 scientific instruments which allow the telescope to capture images of objects. And with these 4 instruments, the telescope got the ability to capture images of objects that are 100 times less bright than the Hubble Space Telescope could. Number 4. The James Webb Space Telescope can see back in time. Yes, that is true. JWST has infrared sensors. With these sensors, JWST has the ability to capture the light of the first stars that were formed. The ability to look back at the origins of our universe is one of the most significant features of the JWST. Number 5. The JWST can capture better images of galaxies forming than any other telescope. Dust exists in space as well, and it obstructs regular telescopes. That is especially bothersome because a lot of dust is kicked up when galaxies form. But the James Webb Space Telescope has resolved this problem because this telescope can see through space dust clouds. Number 6. The James Webb Space Telescope is optimized for infrared wavelengths. The telescope primarily works in the infrared, so that is why it must be kept below minus 370 degree Fahrenheit, or we can say minus 223 degree Celsius to function correctly. The problem with infrared telescope is that they can be rendered useless by any form of heat. In order to protect the highly sensitive instruments from the sun's rays, the JWST has a sun shield constructed of 5 layers of reflective film. Number 7. The James Webb Space Telescope is the largest space telescope, but it actually weighs less than the Hubble Space Telescope. That's surprising to many people. The Hubble Space Telescope had a mass of 11,100 kg, a weight of 24,500 pounds, whereas James Webb Space Telescope has a mass of 6,500 kg, a weight of 14,300 pounds. Number 8. The James Webb Space Telescope does not orbit around the Earth. Instead, the telescope orbits the Sun 1.5 million kilometers away from our planet Earth. And the place which is 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth is called Sun-Earth Lagrange point. Remember, we discussed this earlier in this video. Number 9. The primary mirrors of the James Webb Space Telescope are plated in 24-karat gold. Yes, you heard it right. Due to gold, the mirrors are 98% reflective, whereas typical space telescopes have lesser reflectiveness than standard mirrors. Number 10. The James Webb Space Telescope's golden mirror has a diameter of 21.3 feet, or we can say 6.5 meters. This golden mirror allows the telescope to capture 6 times more light than the Hubble Space Telescope. Number 11. The JWST is 13.4 feet larger than the Hubble Space Telescope. The primary mirror of JWST is 6.7 meters, whereas the primary mirror of the Hubble Space Telescope is only 2.4 meters. Number 12. According to NASA, the resolution of the JWST is so high that it can capture details of an object which has the size of a US penny from 40 kilometers, or we can say 24 miles away. Number 13. NASA claims that the JWST can detect water on exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit around other stars outside our solar system. Planets in our solar system only orbit around the Sun. Recently, NASA revealed that the JWST had detected the distinct signature of water on an exoplanet that is 1150 light years away. Number 14. JWST can view objects that are 13.6 billion light years away. The JWST can spot the first light ever created in the universe. We have already said that the telescope can see back in time, so it is possible to see the beginning of the universe. So through this telescope, we can see the light of the first stars that were formed. Number 15. The side of the JWST that always faces the sun is hotter than the Death Valley. And another side that contains the mirror and instruments is colder than Antarctica. It is because the side that faces the sun has a temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and the other side that does not faces the sun has a temperature of minus 338 degrees Fahrenheit. There are numerous mind-blowing facts about JWST that Spaceaesthetics cannot cover in a single video, but I hope to cover those in the channel's upcoming videos. Stay tuned, stay updated, goodbye, see you in the next video. But wait, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.